If you're planning a vacation and want to book everything in one place, Expedia makes it easy to plan your entire trip, including flights, hotels, and even car rentals. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a complete trip on Expedia step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bundle your travel and find the best deals quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website, or open the Expedia mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see different booking options. To book a full trip, click on the Packages or Vacation Packages section. This option allows you to combine flights and hotels together, often at a discounted price. Next, enter your departure, city, and destination. After that, select your travel dates and the number of travelers. You can also choose whether you want to add a hotel, flight, or both. Once you've filled in all the details, click the search button to see available packages. Expedia will now show you a list of trip packages that include both flights and hotels. You can browse through the options and compare prices, hotel ratings, flight timings, and included features. To make your search easier, use filters like price range, hotel star rating, guest reviews, or flight preferences. When you find a package that fits your needs, click on it to view more details. You can often customize your trip by selecting different flights or choosing a different hotel within the package. This gives you flexibility while still keeping the bundle discount. After customizing your trip, click the Select or Continue button. You'll then be asked to enter traveler details such as names, contact information, and any special requests. Make sure all the information is accurate before moving forward. Next, proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment details and review the full itinerary carefully, including flight times, hotel dates, and total cost. Once everything looks correct, confirm your booking. After the booking is completed, Expedia will send you a confirmation email with all your trip details, including flight tickets, hotel reservation, and any additional services you selected. In this tutorial, we learn how to book a complete trip on Expedia by selecting a package, entering travel details, comparing options, customizing the trip, and completing the booking. This makes travel planning simple and often more affordable by combining services in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.